What's up guys? It's April 13 in the morning. So yeah, time check is already 9:40. And come and join me sa ita karon kay naatay event na aduon, which is the Pause and Play Fest in Miss Mountain Resort located in Barangay Taptap, Cebu City. Medyo layo-layo ni siya kay bukid ni siya actually the pit, but luckily we do have a transport provided to us. And at the same time, come and join me. Okay, I will be one of the show veterinarian for that show, and if you want to see the behind the scenes for that show, tanaw lang ani na video kay hopefully naatay ma-learn. And hopefully nasa ko ma-learn. Kay I will be with my mentors also. So luckily I was chosen to be one of this to become one of the show veterinarians for this event. So yeah, come and join me. Hey. Let's go. What's up guys? We're here na sa Yellow Hotel and I'm waiting na lang sa mga kauban na going to Taptap. So yeah, nagkakama si Doc Verna and you're here na. What's up guys? Hapit na mapuno ang bus. Let's go. Hey guys. Si Doc Verna. Say hi Doc. Hey. Ano yan?
Anak, hindi mo pa. Asa? Anak, hindi mo pa. Isa anak? Hindi pa. Ay!
Hi ma'am.
Sorry.
Johnny.
John. First time ni mo siya.
We're here with my co-doctors here. Hey.
Panagkamot daw kasi.
Hey. Hey guys, so karon mga una may kauban ako mga 14 ko na. So karon mga una kahit gutom so actually ini part ako ang show vet, libre na rin nila. Thank you Maxim ni. What's up guys? We're here na sa event. And nasa
to acknowledge
Sheesh.
Dr. Alphonsus Alilin
Sheesh.
and Dr. Johnny Franz Davis.
Hey, kauban ako si Doc Verna sa Bai. So what can you say, Doc Verna? So wala. Kuha na may show vet rami here, and yeah, if in case na emergency here, will be the one who assisting. Hey, kauban na mo ang organizer sa Euro. Hi, si Doc, Sir, Ma'am Annalyn. Let's go. We're just here. Dakan ka actually dogs ang ni-appeal today. Here. Jeez.
For babies. Hello. Okay. So, just a reminder sa criteria sa inyo.
What's up guys? Mag-pet parade na sila. So, ari ragyapon mi. Tamang lingkod-lingkod lang.
Alright, compensate to
Yo, so we're waiting na lang. Mag-parade sila. So we will be there na lang po. Let's go. Okay guys, mag-kuha na sila. Mag-parade na sila. So I'll be going na in case na ay emergency. And yeah.
Una dah, una dah. Una dah. Kailangan mo susunod. Finish na. Oy, lapas. Oy, lapas. Go baby. Oy, wow. Wow.
Dressed in costume, so if you makita
Wait, press to look.
sis. Ma'am, congratulations, ma'am.
Wala ko man wala kang gig ka mo ka-winner na. Nabuhat ang ato. Activity. Kalang pwede, kalang kita na nakatagal ko na to sila kanan.
Yo. So yeah, naabot na ko sa balay. So yeah, nahuman na gyud ang Pause and Play Fest. So it was very worth it guys. Tinuod lang kay I love being part of this kind of event kay it helps raise awareness at the same time it helps the funding sa mga organization, labi na sa mga rescue organization na need kayo funds, and at the same time it also helps the rescue animals just itood lang. So yeah, I think that's all for me for now, and that's a wrap for today's vlog. And that was my day as a part-time show vet in Pause and Play Fest. And kung ganahan pa dahil mo kuan more behind the scenes sa akong dual life, vet in the morning, BPO by night, and part-time show vet, daghan na ganap. So yeah, so don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe. Kita sa next vlog. Wow, subscribe. Unsa may i-subscribe ninyo? Wala man mo i-subscribe. Bye bye.